Welcome to your spring reset. I'm Tracie. I'm a registered acupuncturist and a yoga teacher. According to traditional Chinese medicine, the liver is responsible for the smooth flow of our qi, our life force, and our blood in our body. During this time frame, in this season, you may be experiencing some grumpiness in the shoulder and the neck. Maybe there's tension there. Maybe there's discomfort. We also suffer from bloating and digestive issues. Very common. Also, are you waking up between 1 and 3 a.m.? If the liver is responsible for our smooth flow of qi and blood, but we are feeling all of these symptoms, that grumpy neck, the waking up, bloated, digestive issues, then maybe your qi, your blood, is stagnated, it's stopping. If you are interested in soothing what we say, the liver qi, then join me in this series where we can have a little bit more movement, connecting to our breath. We're going to be seated on a chair for some chair yoga, and I've created this series so that you may be at ease and a little bit more comfortable. This is suitable for all levels of yoga. Anyone who is interested in maybe teaching yoga, or you are a practitioner who wants to incorporate some movement and acupressure points. Join me in this series. I look forward to seeing you.